Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the waterfall trail. So yeah, pretty excited today. Got a new truck on the channel, and we're going to take it around the waterfall trail. We'll have a quick look at the box, what's inside the box. We'll have a quick look at what you get with the truck as well, and then around the trail we go. So here's the truck we'll be taking around today, guys. Sorry for my shadow there. Really nice sunny day here, but yeah, the 1/16th RGT, so the 136161, and I've had my eye on this truck for a while now. It fits my bill, small scale, Land Rover. So yeah, so a quick look at the box. That's what the underside looks like, guys. Some specs there if you want to pause and have a read of those. So that's enough looking at the box. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box as well. Okay, so inside the box you get your transmitter receiver manual, pretty handy, and then obviously your general car manual. It's like a big fold out poster. You get the included 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery. We'll talk a bit more about that in a minute. Included charger, some included body pins and shock clips, and finally some body extenders if you want to put a taller body on. Okay, so we see in the box what we get as well with the truck. It's time to take a look at this truck. So yeah guys, 100% ready to run straight out the box, guys. And yeah guys, the pictures really don't do this truck justice. So here it is, guys, the RGT 1/16 scale, straight out the box, as you can see. So for a ready to run, this thing comes packing in the electronics department. We've got a Hobbywing 1625 waterproof ESC there, and yes, this is LiPo capable. We've got a 370 carbon brush motor there into a reduction box, then into the gearbox, and then we've got a 4-channel RGT receiver with a light kit built in as well. You get the RGT transmitter as well, rebranded Dunbar C4 channel. So there's all the adjustments you got there, guys. On the left we've got steering, so reverse, and then trim, and then dual rates, and on the right then again throttle, trim and whatnot. But yeah, fits nice in one hand. On and off switch there. You've got the 3rd channel here, come on focus, 3rd channel here, which controls the lights, and then this channel here controls the hazards. So we've got 2 ways to take. We've got the normal way, which follows the trail up the mountainside there, guys, or we've got the reverse line, which if we go reverse, we've probably got the trickiest line when we get to section 4. So what we're going to do, we're going to do heads and tails. All I've got on me is my trusty little knife, if that's going to focus there for you guys. Okay, heads is right in, tails for Wales never fails is not. Tails will take the easy way, heads will take the hard way. So here we go, guys. It's heads, we're taking the hard route. Oh, pen knife has spoken, we're taking the hard way. We'll soon see. There's another option when we get to section 4 where they take the easy or the hard way, but fingers crossed we get the easy way. So yeah, really nice control. I've currently got the throttle EPA on 50%, hooked up there on a rock. Super soft tyres. Yeah, this handle's really nice so far, guys. This is a pretty steep climb. So far, the little RGT is doing well. Plenty of power there, and that's only on 50. Plenty of wheel speed if I need it to buck my way up things. Full light kit as well, guys. So you can choose to have your hazards on or your indicators. There we go, hazards. You get up that bit real nice. Hey, so far, guys, I'm really impressed. It's handling very well. It's nice to know it's durable because it's got a metal geared servo. Yeah, metal drive line in there, guys. Drive shafts are plastic, but yeah, as long as the ring and pinion gears are metal, that's all you need. It's handling the descents very well. So we're coming around the corner up to section 4. and we'll have another heads or tails whether to take the easy or the hard route. Yeah, this truck is awesome, guys. It's nice and quiet too. The 390 motor's not making a lot of noise at all. Okay, heads, we take the tricky route, which is the inside, and an extremely steep climb there up on the other side. And then obviously tails for Wales never fails. We'll take the more gentle route up the A470 up on the left hand side. So yeah, let's find out which way we're going. 3, 2, 1. Hey, 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 tails for Wales never fails. Got away with that one, we get the easy route. Oh yeah, I definitely feel I got away with that one there, guys. It's the easy route, but it's still tricky nonetheless. An extremely steep, twisty climb up onto the plateau. So this is a good test of a grip for those wheels. But if I'm hooked up there on something, but I was slipping, there we go. Seems to be gripping really nicely. Just let the wheels do the work, the tyres, sorry. Bit of wheel speed, that's what you need. There we go, and straight up. Spoke too soon, and straight up. It's nice to have that wheel speed there. Yeah, this truck really does look the part. Very impressed with how much detail RGT managed to cram into the bodywork there. So we're coming down around now onto section 3. Obviously, if this was reversed, this would all be uphill, but yeah, lots of descents here now. So good test to see how this handles coming down the hills. Yeah, really nice and controlled there. Pretty much a stop brake when you let go of the accelerator. Yeah, the motor stops. Handling like a dream. Super tight on this little trail now down the side of the mountainside. Yeah, thanks to these electronics, it's really nice and controlled. Oh, bit of tyre pop there, guys. Try and get that for you. You can see how steep it is. Nice and slow. Yeah, that's quite a way up there, guys. Awesome little trail here down the side of the mountain. Probably my favourite bit. Not very challenging, but yeah, take your eye off it, then yeah, you could fall down a pretty steep cliff. It's a trail truck. They handle those rocks pretty nice. Almost home free, guys. So far, so good. It's been an absolute pleasure. Considering this is straight up the box, guys. Yeah, amazing fun. Really nice practical size. Actually looks the part out on the trail. And there you have it, guys, home free. Yeah, really highly recommend these guys. They're ready to run. The performance is outstanding. And yeah, as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. New content every Wednesday and Sunday. And as always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. So I couldn't leave without seeing if this rig could do the trickiest line on the trail today. So yeah, let's head on over to it. So here it is, guys, the trickiest line on the waterfall trail. Extremely steep, extremely slippery. So we'll give it a go. I'm going to show you guys what happens if you take it slow. Wheels just spin, got a bit of a step up there. So this is where I'm hoping the wheel speed of the RGT is going to come in. Get your front wheels right on the edge of the step and then give it some beans. There we go, up we go. When in doubt, throttle out, guys. Straight up, trickiest section here. Well done, little RGT.